Welcome to our comprehensive video guide on managing the Till by NatWest module. This tutorial will walk you through the integration process, allowing you to securely process payments through a hosted payment page. Follow the steps outlined below to configure the module according to your specific needs. After installing the module, navigate to Modules, Payment, and Online tabs. Locate the Till NatWest hosted checkout module and click Edit to access settings. In the Settings section, toggle to enable or disable the module. Enter your store ID for gateway connection. Provide the account shared secret. Choose between live or test server transactions. Select transaction processing methods. Set payment zones. Define order statuses for Till by NatWest orders. Choose to save orders before payment. Prioritize Till by NatWest and payment options by setting payment priority. Enter a value in the corresponding field. Lower values will prioritize this payment method over others. Now, let's move to the restrictions section. Here, you can define specific customer groups, countries, and website pages. Customize the module name for both backend and frontend in your desired language. Click Update to save your customization. With this guide, you've successfully configured the module to cater to your specific requirements. Thank you for choosing Till by NatWest for your payment needs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful insights.